This is going to be the last video. I think I said that it was going to be the last video before, but I'm just going to go whip through this. I realized that I never gave you a picture of what it looked like when it was completely done. So I'm just going to kind of whip through this here. And you can watch the other videos. I created a playlist. I'll put a playlist link at the end of the video here. Give you an idea what I was doing here. I was taking the sponge and wiping off all the texture, and then I was just going to kind of blend in this, take the sponge, clean this area, and then just lightly go over this. Don't clean up to this area. You're going to have to actually feather it in, otherwise you're going to have a line there. The purple paint instead of the black, I used a black primer for this, so I just wanted something dark. And here you can see where it's been painted. And this is fresh paint right along here. I wanted to give you an idea of what it would look like when it was all done and dried in. So you can see right here, this is probably at least 2 or 3 weeks after it has been painted, and it looks like it really blended in. Now, of course, it's going to blend in pretty good. It's the exact same paint. I didn't have to have this matched or anything. This is the same paint that I used, and you can see here how it blended in nice. So this probably needs to be cleaned up a little more. I'll get the maid on that right away. I guess I'll have to do it. But anyway, just wanted to give you an idea what it would look like when it was done, what it looked like, to give you an idea that it did turn out okay. I know some people, it really irritates me, they'll do a video and then they will show you how to do the process, but you don't get to see what it looks like when it's done, or even 5 years after it's been completed. And that's the real big key to making most of these videos. So maybe I'll take a picture of this in another 20 years. By then I'll probably have another water leak, so what the heck, it'll be another video series to make. So anyway, that is it for this series. No more videos on it. I am going to probably make one video for my Greg Van Com site. And for those of you who don't know that I have a couple other sites, go to the website homebuildingandrepairs.com, and I believe on the first page you should be able to find links to some of our other YouTube channels.